Okay, so we are working on this interaction system for quite a long time, and we're pretty much done. But so we have this cross of that, but we can't actually interact yet. So let's do that. Let's add a key for interaction. So I go to my main and inputs, where I go to actions, and I will create new input action called input action interact. Okay, let's open it up. Or actually, we don't need to open it up. We can go straight to IMC. And now we need to click plus. Here we need to select our input action interact. We can just close all of that. You can go for with like E or anything. I think I go with left click, just irregular left click. You can go with anything you want, to be honest. So now let's close that and let's go to BP player, because here we will go for example, here we will get this input action interact. Okay, so now what we need to do with this, when we started, we need to get this selected actor. Okay, remember, this selected actor is from our interaction trace. When we trace something, we save this as interactor, as selected actor. If we do not trace anything, we clear the value. So the selected actor is the actor that we're currently looking at. So from here we can just check if it is valid. Sorry, from started. If it is valid, which means that this value is not empty, we can do on interact message. And this on interact message is our blueprint interface function. And if I go to BP test, we have this on interact function. This is the function that we have created here. This blueprint interface interaction on interact. This is the only function inside this blueprint interface. And this function is inside this BP test because we added this blueprint interface here inside implemented interfaces. And this function appeared here. And when I open this, double click to see where this function is. If I'll do anything here, this function from our player will be executed. This will execute this. And this will only work if this selected actor has this interaction interface. So what we're doing is basically we are saving this as a variable. As I said thousands of times, we're saving this actor as a variable. But then when we press interact, this interaction event, it will just fire this on interact function inside this blueprint. And let's see if this works. We can just destroy actor inside this BP test. Later we will do, for example, if we will have blueprint doors, we will have this event on interact. Here we will do some things to open the door, right? But now let's see if this actually works. So let's hit play. I look at this object, nothing is happening because I need to interact. And my interaction button is left mouse button. So I press left mouse button and it disappears. So our interaction system actually works right now. The last thing that we want to do is, as you can see, we have this input of player. This will be useful later. So to get the player variable, we can just get self, get reference to self. And that's pretty much the entire interaction system, because we've done the entire line trace inside this interaction trace. So this is everything we need to do for interaction, to be honest. Let's call this, let's comment this interaction or interact or something like that. And we're pretty much done with interaction. We can look at something, interact with it, and that's it. it got destroyed because this is what we did here, destroy actor. So we're done with interaction.